A clean 1979 Malibu for this price? That's the kind of project car people jump on fast. The 1979 Malibu is one of those cars that quietly shaped an entire era of American driving. It was lighter, sharper, and more fuel-efficient than the big sedans before it, which is exactly why so many racers and builders still chase these G-body platforms today. Personally, what I love about this generation is how simple and honest it feels. No overcomplicated electronics, no hard-to-find components, just a clean layout that's easy to repair and even easier to upgrade. A lot of these cars ended up as drag strip legends because they respond incredibly well to engine swaps, especially small block Chevys. And when you see one like this, complete, unrotted, and under $4,000, it reminds you why these Malibus became icons in the first place. Affordable to buy, cheap to build, and endlessly customizable. The kind of project car that rewards anyone willing to bring it back to life. And if you've ever dreamed of building your own classic street machine, this Malibu is the kind of starting point that doesn't come twice. Let's move on to the next car and see if anything can top this one.